Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday morning, July 23rd, 2025, and we have a great mix of finance headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
SolomonEdwards appoints Carissa Robb as managing partner, banking and financial services. SolomonEdwards has appointed Carissa Robb as managing partner of its banking and financial services practice. Robb, who became a partner in 2024, will lead the BFS vertical, offering tailored solutions for the regulated industry. CEO John Gulnack praised Robb's strategic foresight and leadership, transforming the firm into a strategic enabler for BFS leaders. Under Robb's guidance, the BFS practice has expanded its expertise in financial crimes compliance and M&A readiness. Robb's client-first approach and industry experience have positioned SolomonEdwards as a trusted partner for financial institutions seeking modernization and risk management solutions. To learn more about SolomonEdwards and their services, visit SolomonEdwards.com.
States with the most at-risk youth in 2025. WalletHub study. WalletHub has released a report on 2025 states with the most at-risk youth, revealing that 13% of young Americans are neither working nor in school, putting them at greater risk of poverty and violence. The study compared states across 15 key indicators of youth risk, such as the share of disconnected youth, labor force participation rate, and youth poverty rate. Louisiana, Oklahoma, and New Mexico top the list, while Iowa, North Carolina, and North Dakota have the least at-risk youth. Key stats show disparities in disconnected youth, high school diploma attainment, obesity rates, drug use, and homelessness among youth across different states.
Hillenbrand announces note redemption, amends credit agreements. Hillenbrand announced the redemption of its $375 million, 4.5% notes due September 2026. They also successfully amended and extended their syndicated credit agreement, including a $700 million revolving credit facility, a $175 million term loan, and a euro-denominated delayed draw term loan of up to $240 million. JP Morgan Chase Bank, N.A., and JP Morgan S.E. are the administrative agents. Additionally, Hillenbrand amended its $325 million LG facility agreement with Commerzbank Aktiengesellschaft as coordinator. These moves optimize the company's capital structure, providing greater operational and financial flexibility. Hillenbrand, a global industrial company listed on YSE as HI, offers mission-critical processing equipment and solutions to various industries. For more information, visit hillenbrand.com.
Evolution Credit Partners surpasses $1 billion in credit protection as companies seek alternatives to traditional trade credit insurance. Evolution Credit Partners Management, LLC, has surpassed $1 billion in protection since launching its TCP business in late 2020. The firm's TCP program offers tailored credit protection solutions for companies unable to secure them through traditional channels. This milestone reflects the growing demand for alternative trade credit solutions as companies navigate shifting supply chains and rising tariffs. Evolution's bespoke TCP offering helps mitigate counterparty risk and preserve working capital in a challenging market environment. Recent examples include supporting Casas Bahia, a major retail chain in Brazil, with a customized TCP solution. Evolution's innovative features include protection against bankruptcy and non-payment events, preference, work in progress, customizable monthly protection amounts, and extension flexibility. By combining leveraged finance and trade finance expertise, Evolution helps clients manage risk and grow confidently. For more information, visit evolutioncreditpartners.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.